talk about the Big Bang. The Big Bang is, as far as we know, the beginning of the universe. It rests on an idea called inflation, so we used a balloon in the Space Home kit to represent that, because balloons inflate. Very helpful. All you'll need to do is grab a pen and draw lots of small black dots on your balloon. I do that now, but I already have one I made earlier, so I might as well use that. This represents the universe right at the start of its life. All of the galaxies, if we imagine that each dot represents a galaxy, will compress together, just pure matter, into a tiny, tiny, tiny space. We don't know what happened before then. Stephen Hawking once compared it to trying to find the most southern point of the world, the South Pole, travelling all the way there and then being asked to go more south. You couldn't. Anywhere you'd go would take you away from the South Pole, so you'd be going north, east, west, but not south. It's a little bit like that. If you tried to go before the Big Bang, you'd just be curving round back into time. It's quite confusing, but you don't really need to focus on that right now. Now what you need to do is blow it up. I'm going to use a pump because I'm lazy. Now unfortunately mine are a little bit faded, but can you see how each of those grey dots has grown far apart? Although we're really close to each other when the balloon was small, they all have quite a bit of space between them now. That's essentially what's happened to the galaxies in the actual universe. The Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, the Sombrero Galaxy, they're all moving apart from each other. Everything is moving apart from everything else. Now you can deflate your balloon, or if you're a bit braver than me, you can pop it, but I find that quite scary, so I won't. Enjoy!